It's the time of year where law firms should be opening their doors to aspiring lawyers keen to get a glimpse of what life in a legal environment is like. However, due to current social distancing measures, many vacation schemes have been moved online. Vacation schemes have become increasingly important in law firms' recruitment processes, so it's really important that you make the most of the experience, whether it's physical or virtual. So if you are heading on a virtual vacation scheme this summer, here's some advice about how to make the most of it. Remember why you were there. You likely fought off stiff competition to get onto the vacation scheme, and you should be proud of that. Have confidence in your abilities and yourself. You have the necessary skills and intellect to do the job. You have time during the scheme to create a good impression, and the best way to do that is to be yourself and put your all in. Prepare adequately. The firm will send you specific preliminary information ahead of the scheme. Read the emails carefully to understand how the scheme will work, what you'll be expected to do, and the timings of certain events and pieces of work. More generally, you should read up on the firm's latest developments and news ahead of the scheme. And don't forget to think about your commercial awareness too. As well as practicing to be a lawyer, you will be a part of a business, so you need to know how that business works and who their clients are. Many vacation schemes will include an interview as well, so having an up-to-date knowledge of the firm and its clients is imperative, as well as remembering your own key skills and experiences. Check your technology. As with online exams and video interviews, it's really important to make sure your technology is working ahead of the vacation scheme. Set yourself up in a quiet space with a stable internet connection and your laptop plugged in to charge. As we said before, turn your phone on silent and treat it as you would a physical event. That means no texting or frantically Googling during the interactive elements of the scheme. And don't worry, there will be breaks during the day, so you won't be glued to your screen 24/7. Ask questions. The number one piece of advice we hear from people who have done VAC schemes is to not be afraid to ask questions. With this year's VAC schemes being virtual, it's a little bit more difficult to knock on your supervisor's door to ask them a question if you're unsure about something. But you should still use the appropriate channels to ask any questions that you might have, and don't forget that you're not expected to know everything. A vacation scheme might be your only chance to see what it's like firsthand in a law firm, so use the opportunity to ask as much as you can and find out as much as you can about the firm. Stay social. Despite the move to online vacation schemes, there will undoubtedly be social and networking events for you to get involved in. Social events are a key part of any vacation scheme, as they give you the chance to find out what the firm's culture is like and meet the people who work there. Take these opportunities as you would a face-to-face social event, and consider how to present yourself in such networking scenarios. And don't forget to connect with people you meet on LinkedIn to stay in touch. Analyse the experience. During a physical vacation scheme, you might have been returning home exhausted each day. But an added bonus of virtual vacation schemes will be the lack of travelling and commute time. Use this time wisely to think about what you've done at the end of each day. Keeping a log of the experience can be a great way to remember everything that you did, what you enjoyed or what you found difficult. It will help you decide if the firm is for you and if you are drawn to certain practice areas or types of work. Firms will be likely wanting your feedback on the virtual vacation scheme, so have a think about what worked well or not so well during your time online at the firm. Have fun. Finally, strange as it sounds, try to relax and enjoy the experience. As different as virtual vacation schemes might be to physical ones, the firms will still be wanting to make the experience challenging, enjoyable and exciting for you. And if you don't enjoy the scheme, you should be questioning if the career and or the firm is right for you. Good luck with your virtual vacation schemes this summer, and don't forget to head to Law Careers Net for more legal careers, content and advice.